In the previous video, we're done customizing quiz theme. Now we will look at how to configure quiz settings. To access the settings, click the little gear icon, then settings window will pop up. It has general, presentation, and quizzes tab. In general tab, you can set collect email addresses, require sign in, and limit to one response. You can set that respondent can edit after submit or see summary charts. In presentation tab, you can show progress bar, shuffle questions order, show link to submit another response will only available if you don't limit the submission. Add your confirmation message. This will display after respondents submit the quiz. In the quizzes tab, you can set to make this quiz. Set release grades after each submission or after manual review. You can set also that respondents can see missed questions, display correct answer, and point values. Click Save to save the quiz settings. Now, your quiz settings is already set. And in the next video, we will take a look how to create quiz in Google Forms.